How to find hotspot password on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Keith and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can find the hotspot password on your Realme or any Android device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to launch the settings in your device. Once you're under settings, tap on network and internet. Here, tap on hotspot and theory. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi hotspot and you will land on this page where you can find all information regarding your hotspot in your mobile device. So there is an hotspot password. All you have to do is tap on it and the password will be displayed in your interface. And that's how you can find hotspot password in your Android or the Realme device. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.